How do you quantify pain and suffering for a settlement? Imagine trying to put a price on something you can't see or touch, like the hurt you feel after an accident. That's what pain and suffering are in personal injury cases. They cover the physical pain and emotional distress caused by an injury. Since these are non-economic damages, they don't have a clear dollar amount like medical bills or lost wages. Instead, lawyers use specific methods to figure out how much these feelings are worth in a settlement. Two main ways are the multiplier method and the per diem method. The multiplier method starts with adding up all the economic damages, things like hospital bills, medication costs, and wages lost from missing work. Once you have that total, you multiply it by a number between 1.5 and 5. The multiplier depends on how serious the injury is. For minor injuries, the multiplier might be closer to 1.5 or 2. For more severe or permanent injuries, it could be 4 or 5. For example, if your medical bills and lost wages add up to $10,000, and your lawyer applies a multiplier of 3, your pain and suffering damages would be $30,000. This method is popular because it links the pain and suffering to the actual financial losses, making it easier to negotiate a fair settlement. The per diem method works a little differently. It assigns a daily dollar amount to your pain and suffering, based on factors like your daily income or how intense your pain was. For instance, if your daily pain value is set at $400 and you experienced pain for 180 days, then your damages for pain and suffering would be $70 to $1,000. This approach is helpful when the duration of suffering is clear and can be estimated accurately. When lawyers evaluate these damages, they look at how severe the pain was, how long it lasted, and how much it affected your life. Medical records, expert opinions, and your own account of what happened are all important pieces of evidence. During settlement talks, these calculations serve as starting points. The final amount depends on negotiations, the laws in your state, and sometimes what a judge or jury might decide if the case goes to trial. In the end, putting a dollar amount on pain and suffering involves translating feelings and personal hardship into a number that reflects both the physical and emotional toll of the injury. The goal is to make sure the compensation covers not just the bills but also the impact on your life.